Another batch of damaged ones here. Toss them over there. All right, back it up. Keep coming straight back. Easy now.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how potato chips are made, step by step.
We're committed to quality. These fresh potatoes are visually inspected by our team as they move rapidly through the intake system.
As the drums rotate, the potatoes are continuously sprayed with fresh water. The dirt dissolves, and the murky water...
We need to adjust the slicing thickness settings here.
Okay, increasing the water pressure and conveyor speed accordingly.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.